the name of the dance and the name of the song Chatzi Spanioli, Chatzi Temani, which means half Yemenite, half Spanish. The singer is Nadar Miranda, salsa rhythm. The dance is my daughter Hila and me. We're face to face. We hold right hand, first part, salsa, to the woman, to the man. Now we go inside. The woman goes back. 1, 2, 3, and we enter 2, 3. Now she makes a full turn. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and we go back. Let's do it once again. And to the woman, to the man. We go to the center. She turns. 1, 2, 3. Transition, open and close. Open and close. Second part. Open. Drop. Release. Leave your hand up. Paso doble will change. Like paso doble. Nale, nale. Men is out. We go to the other side. Other side. Drop. Release. She turns. Change place. Nale, nale. Men is in. Last part. 1, 2, 3. Step together. Back and up. Back and change place. The other side. 1, 2, 3. And back. And the Yemenite back, 1, 2, 3. After we dance it twice, we have 1, 2, and Hati. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, and.